everyone, in this video, let's see if we can hide likes on our X account or our Twitter account. So these are the processes on how to hide your likes on Twitter. But if we're going to try this on our account, so as you can see in our Twitter page in here in our profile, you can actually see here all the informations of the comments that you have, all the shared posts, the favorites, and also the likes. So if we're trying to go to this page or the PlayStation page, you can see here the tweets and replies. Also, you can access the likes or the number of likes in here. But for now, there is no direct way of turning off or hiding our likes, just like the other social media platforms for now. But what we can do is probably to make another account and set it in a private, since if your account is in a public setting or public mode, then everyone will be able to see the likes that you have. So it would be best if you can create a secondary account wherein you can just make it private and just turn off or hide your likes or number of likes in there. So hopefully that they will be able to update this one and would be able to enjoy and see the feature on how to hide likes on X or previously called Twitter account. So if this is somehow informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates to come.